end of the week. Let's talk about the market for a second. The market came in. We had a downward trend from yesterday, and as we had the downward trend from yesterday, we started going up and hit the 38 of the fib, and then we trend down. Then we've been kind of trending up a little bit, and we was right at the 61.8. And it kind of double topped, triple topped at the 61.8 of the Fibonacci.
I'm so sorry.
And we came down, market open, we shot straight up. We got the daily low here, daily high here. Oh, there we go. And go from there. But right now we just waiting. We're about 1 minute from the 9 o'clock candle, and that's about it. We looking for a nice trade to get in, get a little piece of the pie, and get in and get out and be done for the day. Let's see.
This is kind of still consolidation, though.
Yeah,
Because we still, look at the wicks on that. The bodies of the candle still aligning with all these previous hours, and we just ranging right there.
Yeah, that dang on wick of that's going past that 61.8 tells you a little bit too, telling you that it's a
up there.
Yep, it tests up there. It tests up there to come down. Hey, what's going on, Raymond? I see you in the building. How you doing?
Hey, Ray. Good morning. Good morning.
Man, let's see what we gonna do here.
Okay. I don't know, babe. If you ask me, yeah, we still ranging. Well, us being under the EMA really don't mean anything. I don't know. You think we're still gonna get a continuation to the upside? You know what? We just have to pay attention to the smaller time frames and get our box going. See which way we're going from now. That's the 5-minute chart you're on?
That's the 5 minutes. See that?
Let me see how it looks over there. I've been trying to stay off the smaller time frames, but let me see.
Well, we didn't way past the oil,
15 minutes.
So I think we're going to the top up here, man.
Go to the daily, huh?
We're going to the daily.
I don't know though. Let's see if the wicks meet equal.
Okay, this is the 9 o'clock candle here.
Yes, and it's gone, and it don't have a wick on the bottom.
It don't have a wick on the bottom.
Very little. It have a very little wick on the bottom, but it's going so fast. I'm trying to see where it's going to. And I done erased all my lines, child. I don't have no guide.
Well, I'm looking at the if you look at the fib kind of give you a guide. And you have the top of the daily up there.
Candle. We're approaching the 78 right now.
Yeah, we're approaching the 78.
What you think?
It's too early.
Go past that. See, that's what I'm saying. Equal wicks.
Yeah.
See, right at that. That's what I'm trying to see. If we break above that and reach the 78, I would take a long to the daily.
To the daily, yeah.
Yeah. But if not, let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see if this 9 o'clock candle be the retracement candle.
It is so weird to see this.
You think news had something to do with this? With Donald speaking?
Probably with Donald speaking.
What you think, baby? We so close in the hour. We just 2 minutes in.
That's what I'm saying. We're only 2 minutes in.
We don't usually
take a trade until at least 9:10, 9:05. I would wait for the
9:15. Sometimes we wait for the 9:15 candle, but we have movement, so
yeah.
Okay. Let's see, because we are outside of the orb and we never retested
the orb.
If we could get a retest maybe to the 61, a London highs, that might be a better entry.
Better entry, yeah.
But if we tapping on the 78.
I know. Man, that is weird. being so weird here.
Yeah. So we still not long, babe, till we break this, because this been days.
Yeah, yeah. And we are still in, this is going to be Friday's daily candle. We had a retracement up, we had all the way down, we head down, and we could had a continuation down, kind of met up with the daily right here. Then now we shooting straight up. Now the question is, are we gonna break structure and go straight up for today, to try to retrace this whole Friday daily candle to go to all-time highs? Are we gonna hit this daily high right here and just come straight back down?
Let me go to the daily chart.
Yeah, look at that daily chart.
Yeah, it's.
Now that is the biggest question. Are we gonna hit this daily, come straight down, do a continuation to the downside? Or are we gonna bypass that and go back up to all-time highs? Now that is the ultimate question there.
I don't know. I would like to see us go to the daily high right there. Points is that? Oh, that's 735 points from the 78. That'd be a nice scalp. That would be a nice scalp. Look at that. This 5-minute candle about to end.
About to end, yeah. I would like to see that
See a
I would like to see a
retracement though,
little
huh?
retracement
I would
down
like
a
it to
little bit,
retrace,
and then
yeah.
I'll take the pullback. And I need to see this pullback a little bit.
Yeah. Even if it's not to the orb, at least
Right,
to
to
London
at least,
high.
yeah, at least to
but
London.
Don't look like we won't do that. Let's see. Let's see. It's a nice retracement. Okay. Ray, you trading? I don't know if he's still in the chat or not. Anybody in the chat trading?
Anybody in the chat
Taking a
trading?
trade? A trading NASDAQ?
So we get a little pullback here.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to see, a pullback. We come under the EMA. Like I said, even if we don't go back and retest the orb, if shit, London would be okay. Look at that.
Yeah. Now the crazy thing about it is this 5-minute candle don't have a wick.
Yeah.
So
that's
if she
okay.
go back
Just
up,
can't-
and I would like to see it. And I mean, if we take this trade, our target gonna be way at the top
daily?
of the daily.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, it is.
I think we could get there if we do what we're doing.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
cool.
Uh,
Yeah, he's he's not trading, but he's trying to learn a little
Okay.
bit. You want to take this? Look at that. It's kind of shooting back up a little bit.
It's gotta
Just got
be
the-
getting over the 78 for me to get in it. Is because
Let's-
look how we building out over here.
Okay, we got a box.
I mean, it might be, yeah. Probably would be the better entry, but I'm not really worried about that.
Right. We in the consolidation box right here.
Mm-hmm. You drew a box out?
Yeah, I drew a box.
Yeah. I am gonna put my box to the orb.
Okay.
Cause if we take a short, I want to see it get out the orb. And that's the EMA right there too. I'm happy we ranging early so
Yeah.
we can get the shit. Hopefully we can do like we did yesterday. Get in and get out.
Get out,
you know,
no.
we got in. Okay, what you thinking? It look
I'm
like it's
thinking,
set up to pop that,
yeah,
but
set up to pop
let's
that.
see.
It is set up to pop.
I don't know though. It could be faking us out because
Yeah.
it's not going over the what is it? It's not going over the 78.6.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I wonder why my boxes don't show right on the higher time frames when I'm doing it.
And
We're rejecting?
yeah, we rejecting. She is definitely looking like she's trying to push back up.
Okay, because I'm about to say if we come down to the 61, that's why I would enter for a short if we coming down, because you know most of the time our candle be the retracement candle.
Right.
So
the hourly candle is the only problem I got about this 4-hour candle, y'all, is that this 4-hour candle got a little tiny wick on it. Not saying that it's not feasible for it to go out. This for a 4-hour candle, I would like for it to have a nice little wick. And you see how it's trickling down?
Yeah. And wait, the previous 4-hour candle was indecisive.
Yeah. See how that bad boy coming down? It may be coming down to retest this. Oh, I mean, I don't know if we are in a short situation because we look like we so close to the daily up here at the daily high. I think it's just this candle right here is a retracement. Maybe come down a little bit and then pop up and go long. I don't know. This is why we wait.
Patient.
Yep. And if we don't see it, we don't take it. That's the. Are we coming out? This may be a short. Look at that.
Okay, but the previous 4-hour candle was a green indecisive candle, which could be a continuation.
Yeah.
Just may need to come back and retest the orb to get maybe a bigger wick. Let's see.
I'm thinking that the zone down there maybe resistance. If I was to take a short, it'd be. Well, maybe it may come down to retest the orb and
that's
then go
a
back
lot
up. That's
at
a
the 50.
Lot. Yeah, that's a lot.
You have the VWAP, 50% of the fib. You have the orb.
Yep.
And the weekly. All of that. Okay. That might be it, baby.
That might be it. This may be for a short.
Yeah.
Because it broke the box.
Yes. What we doing?
You want to take the short?
Retest the orb.
Or you want to wait for the 15 minutes?
We're going to wait for 15 minutes.
Yeah. Let's wait for the 15
Let's get a little more down.
Yeah. Let's wait for the 15 minutes. Because now we looking at now that daily, the 1 hour now just came down and got him a nice little deep wick.
Let's see.
That's what we was waiting on, y'all. See how it came down and got a deep wick? And that's what we was waiting on.
Just gotta wick out the EMA, huh?
Yep.
And the 61. Okay, so we did retest the 61 over there.
Because that's always the case when we doing these plays. It is shoot up, and then all of a sudden they found this place up here right above the 61.8, but it didn't have a wick on it. So this is why you wait. Because if we would have took the trade up in this area, we'd have been in drawdown.
Right, and that's what I don't want to be. Well, I can't avoid it sometimes when you trade,
right.
But if I could be patient and wait and not go and draw down, then
right. That's what I'm thinking too. We still have Asia lows down here. Down here we got Asia lows way down here at the 28,269.
28,269.
Yep, 28,269.
Oh wow. Okay, we down here where the almost where the gap was.
Yep.
That's what the gap.
Yep. That's one of the reasons why we didn't take the trade is because in order to go long, we wanted for it to break out of the box to go hit the daily, but it didn't. So we look like we getting a retracement. We went on an upward trend, stall out right here, coming down. This is the orb right here by the weekly. If it breached the weekly, then we be golden for a short.
Yeah. And that's what we look like we're doing. We're approaching. Let's see if we breach. Well, shit, we needed to break through it. Come down. Let's see how this set up. I want to see how this 15-minute candle
let's see
gonna
what
close.
the 15-minute go do. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the 15-minute.
Damn.
If the 15-minute got a continuation, then
So we outside of the box I drew out.
So the 4-hour candle is now a red candle. It's coming down. We hit up here, we good up here, we tapped up there, we coming down.
Yeah, the 4-hour look good. We have a lot of room to the downside,
A
right?
lot of room to the downside. A lot of room to the downside. Okay, next 15-minute candle is here.
Okay, let me see.
See if it pull up a little bit. Hit the EMA. We got the 9 EMA right there. See if it hit the 9 EMA. Come straight down. No. It tapped up. It almost hit the 9 EMA.
Is that the... Okay, that's the 61. Let's see.
How many you gonna go? 3 or 2?
Might do 2.
Might do 2.
Might. Okay. So we retested the 61 for a week and we pushing down. Let's see how this gonna go. Let's see.
Yeah, look at that.
Right.
She definitely coming down for a shot.
Damn, look like
Okay, I might take this shot.
Forming another box there.
I'm in for a shot.
Okay.
Target gonna be bottom
The orb,
of
maybe?
the orb.
That's what I'm thinking.
Bottom of the orb, y'all.
Let's see though, that daily is right there.
Yeah, that weekly right there. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the
weekly.
It's kind of scary for that weekly. I'm gonna put my finger on the button. If it rejects that weekly, I'm gonna get out this trade.
Approaching. Come on out, honey. Come on.
It tapped it. That's a scary zone right there. Look at that. See that?
Yeah. Let's see though. Let's trust the process.
Oh, no.
Your nerves bad, huh?
Yeah, because that's the weekly.
And they rejected
And
it.
they reject the weekly. Yeah, they reject the weekly.
Let's see, baby.
I got out.
Yeah,
They reject the weekly.
okay.
See, it reject the weekly. I got out.
So that pullback
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why we wanted to go to the week. Let me go back to the higher time frames. But see, this
Maybe.
fucks me up. These
Maybe I'm
smaller
wrong.
time frames fucks me over every time. Not gonna
Yep.
lie.
They reject the weekly. It may pop the weekly, but they reject the weekly. Damn. Look at that. It's about to pop over the weekly. I might try this again.
Dude,
I know.
we gotta trust the process,
I know.
man.
I'm back in. Again, down there by the I don't know if I want to do that.
What, the bottom of the orb?
Bottom of the orb. Let's go to bottom of the orb. I'm in.
VWAP though right there.
Bottom of the orb. Oh, this may be a retest of the orb. May not go all the way to the bottom of the orb, you know? The hesitation is mind-blowing.
Right.
All right. Let's see. We go down to the 30.
Let me get off of that.
Yeah.
Because that's gonna mess
I'm
me
on
up,
a
man.
1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Somehow I'm just not feeling the...
I have my stop loss at the 61. And if this play don't work out for me, it's no more trades for me today.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna stay over here and trust the process.
Yeah.
We're approaching the 50 and the VWAP. That's gonna be interesting.
Yeah.
Gotta come through the VWAP.
I'm going break even. I ain't gonna play with it.
I can't go break even yet. Damn, we tapped the 50.
Yeah,
Come
we tapped
on
the
now.
50 out. See that? Yeah, I took it, man. I took it. Yep. I don't know why. We have it's coming up a little bit on the next 5-minute candle. Look like the weekly, that's the only thing that's scaring me is this weekly candle right here. I might could get a better entry for a short. But yeah, I took that off.
For 15 minutes developing.
If we take a fib and go from the top to the bottom up here.
To the orb. From the top of that box to the orb right there. We at the 38, huh?
Yeah, we at the 23 actually.
Mine must be different from yours. Because the 23 is under. You see how yours look?
Oh, I took it off. It'll be from here to here. It hit the 23 and it's kind of trickling back down.
I don't have mine set up like yours.
So what it did was it came back inside the orb and just popping right back up.
That shit crazy.
You know?
The patience.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Let's see what the 930 candle do too. Damn, that looked like the retracement candle, huh? Let's just go back up.
Shit, and that's one of the reasons why
Are
I
we
jumped
building
out
out?
of this. Because
Okay, so if you look at the you're looking at the 5 minute.
5 minute.
Look at the 5 minute and
Yeah.
see how we kind of building out right there. We do have both the EMAs right there that's stopping, but we did hit the weekly, the 50% and the orb.
Yep. And so look like this may be the loan. This was a pullback back to the orb. It went underneath the orb and it's going shooting straight up for a loan.
It's got a week. It's got a week off the 50.
Yep. Man, that is insane. Now is this
Oh, wow! Look at the 1 minute build out.
a V-shaped recovery on the 1 minute?
Recovery, yeah.
And look like the 9 o'clock candle about to turn green. Shit. Yes, indeed. Is it about to turn green? It is green now.
You know what? 9:30 might push us over the 78.
Yeah.
It might push us over the 78.
That's insane.
Okay, we're approaching London right now.
Now it hit the 50 again, chilling over there.
I don't know how you got yours set up. Which chart you on? 5 minute?
Yeah, I'm on the 5 minute.
Okay,
Hit the
that's how
50%.
you got your. Okay.
Took two green
Yeah.
trades right now. So
Oh yeah, we're above the 61 now. Are you, I got mine set up. Is that like yours?
let's see. The bottom of your fib should be at 28,755. 28,755 should be the bottom of your fib.
55. Damn, that's way down there.
28,755. 28,755.
You got your. Okay, you just could have told me the orb. You have it set up at the orb. I see the where you're at. You're approaching the 61 now.
Yeah, we're approaching the
Got you.
61 now. Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty.
So basically what this was a big push up, pull back. I mean, a huge pullback to go inside the orb. This was the orb retest right here. And as you can see, it's going up. This may be a loan.
Yeah.
Might take this loan up to.
I gotta see if we get over this 61 though, because that's a kind of critical zone right there. You're in.
I'm in for a loan. Right at about the.
I'm not in yet.
Okay. Okay. Right
That's
above
London.
this 61. Okay. What you gonna do?
We gotta have a little patience and see. Let me see how the 30 minute is set up. 30 minute is indecisive. God damn.
Yeah, look at that.
If it's indecisive green, that's one thing, because that should indicate a continuation.
Yeah. It may be pushing up a field retracement to push up for a short. God damn it. That is. Oh yeah. This is she's coming down. Shit, she's coming down. It hit the 61 and it's coming down.
Yeah, that's why I would say I was gonna wait until see if we break past that point. 'Cause we've been dipping and dabbing that way.
Yep. Because
Damn.
I should have noticed that
You went all the way back up to the 61 just for a
61,
retest?
just for a retest,
God
yeah.
Damn, you know how many people had wiped out just now? You know how many people lost money right there?
Yep.
Damn.
This may be a short.
NASDAQ does what it want to do, huh?
Yep.
I just wiped a lot of people out.
Yep. So we got a downward trend. We had one green candle hit the 61 and it's coming down.
All right, let's see here. They got this fucking weekly though down
That
here
weekly
again.
down there again,
Well,
bruh.
we retested though to 61, so that
I know.
should indicate rejection.
I know. I know.
Mm-hmm. Just messing around.
Okay, I'm gonna try it again for a short. And
So I've been down here again.
yeah, I'm gonna try again for a short. The long didn't work. And
Bro.
you know. Oh no.
You gotta go on a higher time frame.
Time frame, huh? I know. I know I gotta go on the higher time frame. Look at that. Oh yeah, the higher time frame look good.
This is a fucking shame.
Yeah, Chop City. I'm really confident now that this is
This is insane. That's what the fuck this is.
yeah.
Insane.
Because now we chop it along. It looked like it was going to come down and continue to short because of the higher time frame. But we are, yeah, no way. So we just waiting.
I ain't waiting. I'm done.
Oh, you done? All right.
Fuck that. I'm done for the day.
Done for
Sit
the
on
day.
my loss, and
Okay,
I
okay.
cannot let my accounts go down. Like, nah. Shut up this market.
Okay. Yeah.
I can't do it today.
Okay. Yeah. Good there.
It's the
Since the 30-minute.
the hourly candle, yeah, is indecisive. Let's see what the because I didn't get to see what the 30 how the 30-minute. Oh, indecisive.
30
Yeah.
minute.
Indecisive. I'm gonna move this over.
Yeah, 30-minute. She hit the 50 and she's coming down.
Okay, so let me take this one off. Take the field that we had put on the 5-minute over there. And I have it on the previous day field. And look at where we at. We still in this critical area right there. And for short.
I'm in for a short. Last trade for the day. If it wipe me out, then I'm willing to take the loss today. I'm gonna take the loss, but I'm in for a short.
Yep, so we haven't came out the orb that way, huh? Look at the bottom.
Oh yeah.
And then he's still trying to get his wick.
Yep. So
Chopping around, just chopping
chopping around. Last trade for me today. If
I
it
would
tap,
say I would like to wait, but it might be after our time. Because I see what we doing right here. And like I said, it's just chop. We don't have no direction yet. Approaching the EMA and the weekly again.
yeah. And it tapped it again. Shit. Yeah, the 1 hour is red. It is this painfully red right now. I just don't want to do.
It's not going under the
It's not
weekly or
going.
the
Yeah,
50% or the
it's not.
field.
Yeah, it's not doing what it got to do.
That's why I can't do it with it right now.
Yep.
Mm-mm.
And it needed to break. It need to break the weekly
The
right here,
weekly,
the
yeah.
orb, and to come down. And we got way down
We gotta
here.
break the weekly, the orb, and 50% of the field. It did tap it though. Rejected it and squeezed up. So this shit going up and down,
Up and down. It is
No way.
it's a mess. It's definitely a mess. Are we gonna go? Yep, it is a mess, y'all. Good luck.
I gotta set on my hand, you know. Now we going back up to the 61. Ain't
Yep.
that some shit?
Yeah, right. And the survey says for me, I am out.
Okay. Yeah, don't take that whole
That's
loss
it.
if you don't have to, huh?
Nope.
So
And
that's a wrap with it?
That's a wrap with it.
Okay, we can wrap it up then. We could leave early again.
Because did 5 trades, 3 losses,
You did
2
5?
wins. I did 5, I think.
Okay.
Yep. All right. So that's it. The we got chopped up a little bit, and yep, we got chopped up. It's a chop zone, so there's nothing happening here. And we're gonna get on out of here. We're gonna see y'all tomorrow, Friday. Get ready
Thanks
for
for
Friday.
watching.
Thanks for watching.